Hey guys, Skylar here from the men's Change You Can Wear. And the other day, I noticed somebody at the store and they were eating a drumstick with their gloves on. And that got me thinking, people need to learn how to use their gloves properly or they're gonna be in some big trouble. And since business has been a little bit slow, I figured Ralph and I can help illustrate how you can properly use your gloves in a coronavirus outbreak situation like we have here. Ready to get some help, Ralph? Ready to help? Oh, he's ready. All right, let's take a look. All right, Ralph, thanks for the help here, buddy. Now pretend the coronavirus is this poop we have here. You get it all over your hands. Dax, cucumber me. Ah, thanks. Now you gonna eat this cucumber now? I didn't think so. But if you wear your gloves properly, when you take them off, you've got perfectly clean hands. That way you won't get your awesome coin ring from Changeyoucanwear.net dirty. And I know what some of you guys are thinking. You're thinking to yourself, hey, wait a second. This is just a shameless plug to sell coin rings. And you just might be right. All right, remember to wear your gloves properly and stay safe out there. That's awful.